One of the first questions students often ask is, when should I apply? College admissions staffs will tell you the sooner you apply, the better. Students who apply early get first dibs on scholarships, dorms, and more. You should apply to a handful of colleges and apply to them as soon as you can. SVSU has rolling admissions, meaning we don't have a strict deadline, but the earlier you apply, the more opportunities are available to you. Give yourself extra time and apply as soon as possible, because waiting until the last minute will only stress you out, which we want to help you avoid if possible. Another way we want to help you to avoid stress is by waiving our application fee. Starting this year, it is 100% free to apply to SVSU for every student. Our goal is to ease your financial burden at every turn, starting with your application and continuing throughout your educational journey. Once you apply and are accepted, we can talk more about personalized funding options specific to you. You will also need to submit your high school transcripts to us. If your school uses parchment.com, you can send your transcripts electronically through their website. And if your school does not use this website, talk to your high school guidance counselor for assistance. SVSU does not require an SAT or ACT for you to be admitted or to receive scholarships. Your application and merit scholarship decisions will be based solely on your GPA. However, if you have already taken the SAT or ACT, you can still send it to us anyway. A good score may grant you even more options for scholarship money. Apply today by clicking the Application button. And if you are thinking about visiting SVSU, continue on to Step 3 for details.